It's a rainy day here in Grand Palladium, but it's okay. And now we're going to the spa. It's the kiddie pool. Up there is for the socios, the members. I'm gonna take a walk up this way and see how it's looking. Haven't been this way yet. It's a big property. We took a presentation today. They have some real nice properties here. And we're going to go get some massages later and enjoy the spa. I'm looking forward to that. Uma. The little zoo. Take a look. Local fauna. It's a beautiful place here. A monkey hanging out. What they do is they rescue these animals who are sick and injured. Care for them and set them back free. Peacocks, bird area. The deer a little here. Hey guys. Just hanging out, huh? Little guys. This is the bosque forest. It's not a jungle. That's in Chiapas in Yucatan. It's a subtropical forest. It is absolutely gorgeous. Thick, lush, beautiful. Really beautiful. Let's see. Hola. See these guys, peacocks, more deer. Here's a nice looking one. Go this way. I head back to the room. Well, I wish I was a little kid. I'd enjoy this. That's cool. That's the steakhouse at night. It's a buffet right now. What a really cool place. I love it here. Absolutely love it here. I'm going back.